Hi guys, good evening once again. I love so much gardening, and especially our fruit now, it's blooming. By the way, this is a Mirabelle fruit. This is not yet a fruit, it's a Mirabelle fruit tree. It's just starting to bloom the flower. And this one here is a massive apple. This is a granny apple. It's a green apple. This one is 1,000 of flowers. Shiri! Is 1,000 of flowers. By the way, this is in Normandy, France. It's about because it's just the boundary of Paris and Normandy. It's about 1 hour 30 minutes drive. You see my beef tomato over there? Oh la la, this one is, we call this cassis. And also here they grow now my rhubarb. I'm not success for the peach. Have problem to problem the peach. And my rose is here. This is a celery, and this is an apple, a small apple, but bear a lot of fruits. This one last year. My tomato, the tomato we have there, Papa. Anyway. And this one, it's a Swiss gold. Jarib. Bibi, can you continue like that, Bibi? Bring it in the kitchen, Bibi. Of course, this is my lettuce. I'm coming, I'm coming. No, this one I will own that total. That's the Hermes.
No.
Hermes lang.
No.
Si, si.
Oh. But it's for this one. Let me see.
I will finish first outside, then I come back. A bit crowded my kitchen, guys.
Where's the tissue?
Is in the basket there, baby. There, I have Papa. Come here. This is for me too. This is a very strong one.
Make the balance.
Cabinet, huh?
Make the balance.
No, cannot. That is very concentrated. That's 15 euro.
Yeah, but you have a brand new one. Another.
No, that's different.
No,
It's not.
it's
No.
exactly the same.
No, Papa. Believe me, the other one is blue. You do notice?
But the color is different. It's the same.
No,
story.
different name.
Yeah, different brand. But
Different name, different band, different function.
show me the name. This one.
Okay, give me the ballot.
Ah, yeah, this is the one I buy.
Mm-mm.
Okay.
This one for the one tanker, suppose. I will look
Yeah,
more.
but one tanker. We need two tankers. I put the balance, no?
No, Papa. This is only one of that. Wait, later.
You do bicarbonate?
No need, no need. This one first, I put it solo without any mix.
Ah. Marie-Claire, tu m'amènes le quichou, s'il te plaît?
It's in the basket, baby.
Three, huh?
Super concentrate, huh?
Wow, okay.
You be, Papa. I will bring you and open
No,
the
no,
gate.
you help
The
me
gate,
to help me to carry and open the gate for me.
Oh.
But I finish the one here. No, give me this first.
Ito, because na reverse. Ito, Papa. It must be this here.
No, no,
Outside.
don't worry. Don't worry.
No, I'm going with you.
Where is it? Okay. Good. Let's do it.
Hi guys, again and again I will repeat, this is in Normandy, France. This is our celery. We love this celery. And this is a garlic leaves. And this is a myrti. Then let's go outside. This is yellow rose. We'll see that when they have the flower. And this is my cherry. And that one is the violet sage. And we have also the variegated one. This is a sage variegated mixed with green and yellow. And of course, I have my Denodendron, but the flower is not open yet. And of course, this is my Camellia japonica. This is our roses here. It's very healthy, guys, because I put fertilizer is the manure of the horse. Soon to be bloom. This the same Japonica Camellia in red. This is our pear. Pear. And this is the red cherry. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Bye. Don't forget to share and like. This is Tita Yaki channel.